Welcome back to Health and Technology TV, where curiosity sparks innovation. Today, we're diving into 15 easy and exciting electrical tools you can build at home to generate light, power mini devices, and even build custom toys. These projects are perfect for young inventors, hobbyists, and educators. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly innovation drops. Project 1: Lemon Battery Light. Insert zinc and copper into a lemon and wire them to an LED. It glows. Have you tried a fruit battery? Comment your result. Project 2: Mini Dynamo Flashlight. Use a hand crank motor and connect it to an LED. Generate light with a twist. Would you build one for emergencies? Like if yes. Project 3: Solar Jar Lamp. Attach a solar cell to a rechargeable battery and connect it to a small LED inside a jar. Let it charge by day and glow by night. Would you gift a solar lantern? Drop a below. Project 4: USB Light Strip. Connect LED strips to a USB cable with a switch. Plug it into your laptop or power bank for instant desk light. Want one? Comment me. Project 5: Wind-up Light. Use a wind-up gear motor connected to a capacitor and LED. Charge by winding. Learn about kinetic energy. Want a tutorial? Let us know. Project 6: Bristlebot Toy. Attach a vibrating motor to a toothbrush head. Watch it skitter like a bug. Show us your version in the comments. Project 7: Light Up Spinning Top. Wire a coin battery and LED to a spinning top. It lights up as it spins. Would you add this to your toy box? Project 8: Solar Race Car. Mount a small solar panel on a DC motor and chassis. It zooms under sunlight. Got a sun-powered project? Share below. Project 9: Electric Bubble Blower. Use a fan motor and plastic tube to create bubbles with a switch. Perfect for backyards. Comment bubbles. Project 10: Motion-Activated Toy Light. Use a PIR sensor connected to an LED setup. Lights up when there's movement. Should we add sound effects? Let us know. Project 11: Paper Circuit Cards. Use copper tape, coin battery, and LED to make light-up greeting cards. Would you send a glowing card? Comment light mail. Project 12: Touch-Sensitive Night Lamp. Use a 5-faith-5 timer and 9V battery with an LED tap to activate light. Want one for your desk? Like if yes. Project 13: Glowing Bookmark. Add a flat battery and LED between cardstock layers. Tap for reading light. Who would you gift it to? Project 14: Mini Electric Drum Pad. Make a touchpad using foil and wire it to a piezo buzzer or controller for sound. What should we build next? Project 15: Sound Reactive Light Display. Use a mic sensor and Arduino to flash LEDs with music. Turn it into a party piece? Like if yes. From fruit-powered LEDs to robot bugs and light shows, these 15 electrical projects show how fun and simple innovation can be. Which one will you build first? Comment the number, like, subscribe, and share if you believe STEM belongs in every home. This is Health and Technology TV, where your next innovation starts with a spark.